Hey guys, welcome back. So today's wig is from iDefine. As you guys saw already, there she is, looking gorgeous. My hair is pretty much prepped. Adjustable straps, cannot forget about those if you want your wig to be on really secured, because this is glueless, right? You can glue it on if you want to, but you don't need to. So because it is glueless, you want to use all those straps and bands and everything that is included in the wig, just so that, you know, it stays on really well. I mean, I always say this in my videos, so if you always watch me, then you know how we do. And if you're new here, then please subscribe. I would love for you to stay. Okay, let's go. Okay, it's looking cute already. I love the color. Oh, it is tight. Oh, I'm like, because I used the band and everything, it's like on really well. Sometimes when you put it on, the lace kind of folds, so it looks a bit funny. So I'm trying to make sure that it's not folded, if that makes any sense at all. But guys, like, already looking good. Before I continue, I'm just gonna cut this little bit because that's the only part that's sticking out, and here, just so that it has that seamless lace look. Okay, you see, looking so much better, so much better. If you watch my videos, you may notice that I don't particularly always style my wigs. I kind of just wear them and go, literally, because they are called wear and go after all. So most of the time I'll just wear it as they come. You feel me? But today, I said, let me see what I can do. I'm just trying to make it look better, if that makes sense. I don't want to do too much because I really like the volume up here, so I'm just gonna hot comb it a little bit. Once my hot comb decides to work, I may need a new hot comb because no, really. Why is it when you really need something, that's when it's like, no, I'm not gonna work.
A few minutes later.
It's working now. I had to like do a little something, but it's working. Okay, so let's see what we can do. I like the volume of the wig, so I'm not gonna do too much. I'm gonna add some mousse to try and define the curls. Like this part is like flat. See? Coming back to life. It's coming back to life. Okay guys, so this is the final result, I guess. But yeah, overall guys, what do you guys think? Do you guys like what you see? Because I sure do. I'm loving it. It looks gorgeous. I mean, huh? Completely glueless. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, friend, let me know what you think about this unit in the comment box. As usual, I will leave all the details, everything you need to know in that description box. You can check out my code for some money off your purchase. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. It means a lot. Subscribe if you're new. I would love to grow this channel even more, so please subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.